you are going to love the 2022 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.